So now we're going to be looking at motion problems. Motion problems are also really common on questions, and they relate both derivatives and integrals. And so you have to understand the relationship between each of them and how to go in each direction, either derivatives or integrals. So given the following velocity function, v of t, an initial value for an object moving in a straight line, find the displacement x of t and a of t. So x of t is always the integral of v of t dt, right? So in this case, x of t is going to be the antiderivative. So I'm going to do negative 32 times 1/2 t squared plus 20t plus c, which is just negative 16t squared plus 20t plus c. They give us an initial value to help us figure out what c is. X of 0 is equal to 0. And if I plugged in 0 into here, right, these will be 0. That's c. So that tells me c is equal to 0. So my x of t exactly is equal to negative 32t plus 20. To find the acceleration, I take the derivative of velocity. Derivative of this is negative 32. Okay, that's it. So do the same thing. Find x of t, the antiderivative of v of t dt, and that's 10t plus c. Okay, because x of 0 is equal to 10. When I plug in 0 to here, I get that's just c. So c is 10, so that's equal to 10t plus 10. A of t, oops, I don't know why I keep doing it. A of t is the derivative of velocity, so that's equal to 0. Because derivative of 10 is 0. V of t is cosine of t, x of t is the antiderivative. Antiderivative of this is just negative cosine of t plus my constant of integration. X of 0 is equal to negative 5. When I plug in 0 to here, cosine of 0 is 1, so that's negative 1 plus c. So that means c is equal to negative 4. So this is negative cosine t minus 4. And so a of t, which is the derivative of velocity, is negative sine. Oh, actually, this should have been positive. I don't know why I did. Integral sine is... No. I did it right. Why am I doing sine of t, though? That's the question. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry, I was going too fast. That would just be sine of t plus c. Sine of 0 is 0 plus c, and that has equal to negative 5. So my c is equal to negative 5, so that's sine t minus 5. Here, when I take the derivative of cosine is negative sine of t. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more examples, go to my website. In there, I have free access to over 400 calculus questions that I solve and I show you step by step. So if you're interested in seeing more, please check out my website.